Hey y'all, and it's super late, but I wanted to get this video out so I can go ahead and put these polishes up and use these polishes. I hope you can hear me because my air conditioner in the back is so freaking loud, but it is so hot. So I'm just going to tell y'all about these polishes, not necessarily going to show you me swatching them because I've already swatched them. I'm just going to do the polish videos a little different. Sometimes I might swatch them, sometimes I might already have them swatched and just talk to you about them. So in this case, I'm going to just talk to you about these polishes. What I think about them, do I think that you should purchase them if you're a nail tech, or you just like doing your own nails at home, because a lot of people are starting to do their nails at home and save their little bug. And say they look gas money too. So these are the Lavender Velvets. These are Color Your Life. They're bright colors, easy to soak off. It is 18 colors, a base coat and a top coat and a matte coat. These are 3.4 fluid ounce containers. The packaging is so aesthetically pleasing. I don't like pink, but I freaking love this. Like, as I stated in another video, stuff like this, people order books offline, like off Amazon and things like that, to stack on their coffee tables. If you're into pink or you have a beauty room, this would be a perfect container to go ahead and just have on your beauty table somewhere in your beauty room, because I just think it is so cute. Or to get it framed, like things like these are so cute and you don't have to spend a lot of money. How many times did I just say so cute? But you don't have to spend a lot of money. And I actually got these polishes half off from some girl off of YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you all. When you first open it, it does come with this little pamphlet right here that just tells you about the polishes, tells you how to apply them, things like that. If you need to speak to customer service, just thanking you. There's a little note on the front thanking you for purchasing the polishes, which I think is really cute. And then they just have the polishes in the little box like this. Again, so cute. And maybe I just think it's cute, but I love to see things laid out like this. It just gives me the vibes. Like, I'm a planner type of girl. I like to just open my planner and see the stickers, the colors. That's the type of girl I am. So this right here, just seeing this is like, it is so, I just love it. It's so cute. So these are all the colors. These are a nice variety of colors. I think anything that comes with a white and black is just A1, because all my clients love a white set. Like, a white set is so classy. And then of course you need a black set. But I like the packaging. I like the bottles. I wish they were bigger. But I did go ahead and do 2 sets. I did 2 sets of 2 coats for 20 nails. So I did 40 nails. And I used this. So now it's going. So you can only do, I mean, to my liking, the white is one that you needed 2 coats. If you see right here, I swatched it and I needed 2 coats for this because I just think it was a little thin with the 1 coat, and I put it as a matte top. But I really like that. Another one that you need another coat for is this one right here, the black one. It needed a 2nd coat, and it's fine and everything. I cured these for 120 seconds. But I could have just did the 60 seconds. I just wanted to make sure. But some of them I did for the 60 seconds and they dried. So you only need to do the 60 seconds. For the most part, all of them swatched well. It says on the back here, cure for 120 seconds in the UV lamp or 60 seconds in the LED lamp. It says cure each coat layer before applying another one. Apply the base coat, the color coat, and the top coat in that order. Shake the bottle and blend. So it's just telling you what to do. It tells you how to remove them. Kindly reminders: avoid contact to the skin. I really like how it's just giving you information on the back to what to avoid, how to apply the polish, so that it can have longevity, because they care about the customers. I think this will be good for you to purchase if you, again, are just getting into nails. So you won't have to do a lot. Probably not the best thing if you're like making fake nails, because it doesn't go a long way because the bottle is so small. But the top coat, the matte coat, and the base is pretty large. But this is how big the container is. So this was really just something to try out. The polish is so thick, y'all. Like, look at this polish. It is so thick that you really don't probably need a top coat, but some of these are a little thinner than I would want them to be. The one I just showed you right here, this is one coat and it looks like this. So some of them look really nice, but then there are others that have like a thin layer for that one top coat. I'm just going to show you some of the swatches right here. These are some really pretty colors. So I have this green and this dark gray, and then I have a matty red. They all turned out good. They're all dry. The layer was smooth on there. I think these are some good polishes. I didn't get any that bubbled up. I didn't get any that I just could not use. For the most part, these are good polishes for the price. I'll put a link down below, like how much they cost, you know, where you can go on Amazon and purchase them. These are just some more of the polish swatches and some more of the colors. I really like this one right here, and this is really nice. I'm going to do a set with that color because that's just a really popping color. Like, if you look at these 4 colors, this one is popping the most. Just, I love that. And then I have 4 more right here. It's giving some fall colors in here. Like this one right here is definitely a fall color. This one is definitely popping. I need to do a set with that. And then this is just a different color that I don't use that much. I use this color, the bubblegum pink, a lot. But this is popping. I have to do a set. And definitely when it starts getting cold in the fall season, this is going to be nice with maybe some gold flakes. I think that would be cute. I really like this pink. This is so nice. And then the last 4 that we have are these right here. Now this peach looking one, it needed 2 sets. Like, it needed 2 coats. This definitely would have needed 2 coats as well. And this would need 2 coats because they're just a little thinner than I would like, but they do look nice right here. I wrote like the name LV for, yeah, Lavender Violets on there. So I really just wanted to show you how they came off on the nail. I think these are worth a buy. They're super inexpensive. They were under $20, and you get 21 polish bottles. You get 18 colors, but the top coat, the matte coat, and the base coat, you can use those when you run out of the polish. So yeah, I just wanted to show you all, very quick video, very to the point, just a quick video just to show you how the polishes. Again, this is all the colors, just so you can see if these are some colors you want or you need for the rest of summer and the upcoming fall season. But look, let me tell y'all something. Colors, style, fashion, all that stuff, I don't follow no rules. Whatever I think is cute, I'm gonna wear. Like, people be like, wear the bright colors for this season. Girl, it can be snowing outside, and if you want to wear neon green and you want to put on some of this pink with it with some black pants, baby, you can put on that neon and that pink, baby. Like, there's no rules to fashion. That's why fashion is so amazing, because there's no rules. Like, you can wear whatever color you want to wear, but of course, you know, this is going to be like a fall color. Black is just like a fall, it's giving October. But I'm gonna wear whatever color I want to wear whenever I want to wear it, and that's just period on period. But that's all I have for y'all. Again, I hope y'all enjoyed this mini video of me just showing y'all some nail polishes that I picked up at Amazon, because you know your girl stay buying polishes because I can never have enough, because but that's all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Your girl about to go to bed because, baby, why is 1 o'clock? Why you up at 1 o'clock, Keona? I don't know, yeah, I don't know. I want to record. Like, look, whenever you want to record, you need to record, because it's gonna be days you ain't gonna want to record. And yeah, but yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44 and my business Instagram at Press Nails and Beauty, so you can get you some sets with these lovely polishes that I'm going to be using on my nails. Why, of course. Do you see some chipping? Always. Oh, okay. But for me, I'm gonna pop off. No, but that's my video. I hope you enjoyed it again. And this is Keona Michelle. Your girl is checking out.